Guitar Solo for Patience by Guns N' Roses. We start here on the 8th fret, first string. It's a pull off to the 7th fret and then back to the 8th. So then slide it to the 10th fret, and then back to 8, and then 10th fret on the 2nd string, slide to the 12th, back to 10, and then back to 8. That is the 2nd string. Then do it again here on the 1st string, 8, 7, 8. Slide to 10, slide to 12, back to 7 and 8, back to 8 and 7. Slide to 10, back to 8, 2nd string, slide 10 to 12, back to 10, back to 8, twice, and then 10 to 12, 12 to 14, hammer on, okay? Now here's where the tricky part is. You have to bend this G string, 7th fret. But most of the time, if you have your standard acoustic strings, very difficult to do. And you don't want to risk that. It's very difficult, right? And you might bend the string. You might break the string. So the better way to play it, if you're using a standard acoustic, slide it on the 7 to 9. And then you pluck it again. And then on the 2nd string, 8th fret. Then slide it back down to the 7th fret, 3rd string, see? And then 5, 7. And then you can bend this 7th string, 7th fret, 4th string. You can bend it downwards to reach this, see? And then you 4th, okay, mind, 4th fret, 3rd string. Then bend 4th to 7, then bend the 7th fret, 4th string again, and then 5. So we have then do it again back here. So we have slide 7, 9, 2nd string 8, slide back down. 7, 5, then slide back to 7, 9, 7, 9, 8, 2nd string, bend 10th fret, 2nd string to 12, back down, pull off to 8, then 9th fret, 3rd string. So what you have, then we play this 8th fret, 2nd string. So that's 8, 10, bend back down. Okay, and then do it again. A little faster this time. So we have you end up here 10, 12, slide, and then 10. Then down to the 3rd fret, 5 fret, 2nd string, hammer on pull off, and then pull off 4th to 2 fret on the 3rd string, and then this is a 3rd to 4, 4th string, 3rd fret to 4th, and then 2nd string G string, and then 0 D string. So you have then you 2nd fret, 1st string to the 3rd fret, hammer on pull off, then do this again. There you go. Okay, so the whole thing now is this helps you out. See you in the next one.